Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 video DXGKRNL fatal error. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update, click Check for updates. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.